Good morning, Tigers. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and it is time for our announcements. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now have a moment of silence. Now for our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. We have several birthdays that we need to celebrate. From yesterday, we had 3 birthdays. So these are our May 12th birthday guys. Abraham Chavez Gutierrez in kindergarten, Yazuri Novorto Alvarado in 1st grade, and Kaytrell Thomas in 2nd grade. Happy birthday, all of you. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday. We miss you. We have another special birthday today, May 13th. Happy birthday, Mrs. Longest. We hope you have a wonderful day today. All right, our announcements for today are paper packets for this week can be picked up from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Your belongings from your classroom are ready for pickup. All of our teachers came in last week on a staggered schedule and collected all student belongings from the classroom and have organized them. They are ready for pickup by just coming to the school's front entrance. And while you're coming to the school today or tomorrow or Friday to pick up your belongings, please make sure you're looking for library books that you may have around the house and bring them in. There's a box in the front hallway for you to put your library books in to turn them in. Also, our Northwest Elementary Orchestra members, you can return your instrument anytime this week. Just bring it to the front entrance of the school and someone will help you check that in. Finally, don't forget the Northwest Elementary Virtual Talent Show. You can turn in a video of your talent act to Mrs. Nowlin by this Friday via email or Class Dojo, and it may end up in our virtual talent show next Friday, May 22nd. Attention parents of 5th graders, please stay tuned for some information on a very special celebration and well-wishing event for our 5th graders moving on to 6th grade. More information will come soon on that. All right, our positivity project this week is Other People Matter mindset, making sure that we're showing other people that they matter and being considerate of their feelings and showing ways that we can show care for them. All right, as you work today, whether it's online or with your paper packet, remember your tiger paws. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and above all, Tigers, be safe. Have a wonderful Wednesday. We miss you.